How do you do prime factorization? Firstly, what is prime factorization? Prime factorization means expressing a number as a product of its prime numbers. For example, if you have the number 16, you can express 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the prime or the expression of 16 using prime numbers. Now, what is a prime number? A prime number is one number that has factors as 1 and the number itself. Suppose take 2. 2, when you look at the whole of the tables, you'll see that 2 only has the factors 1 and 2. But if you take 4, you can see that 1 into 4 is 4 as well as 2 into 2 is 4. Whenever a number has only 1 into the number itself as the way to get the number, then you call it as prime number. Over here 2 into 2 is also helpful in finding the number 4. So this is not a prime number. Now, an important thing that you need to remember is 2 is the only even prime number. All the other even numbers are not at all prime. So what are the prime numbers that you need to remember while doing prime factorization? You need to remember 2, 3, 5, 7 and 1. These are the most important prime numbers that you need to remember while doing prime factorization. So let's try prime factorization with a question. The number we have is 24. So how do you do the prime factorization of 24? Write the number as it is. Now how do you do this? Draw a line like this. And now check is this number even? If the given number is even, take the smallest number possible. If you take 1 and you multiply 1 into, or if you divide 1 by 24, you will get the answer. If you divide 24 by 1, you'll get 24. So it's of no use. So cancel out 1. Next take 2. 2 is an even number. As this is an even number, you can take 2 because 24 divided by 2. This means division. So you put 2 here and you get 12. Again, you can take 3 if you want, but as per the rule, if the number can be divided by the smallest prime number possible, take the smallest prime number. That is, divide this again, 6. Again, you can take through 3. But then before 3, there is a possible number, that is 2. So divide 6 by 2, that will get 3. Now when you see 3 is not divisible by 2, so we cancel out 2 and we take 3. That is 3 over here and you will get the answer 1. Now what you need to do is, you need to write the number 24 like this. And you put an equal to sign and write all the numbers that you got on the sign. So while doing prime factorization, our main motive is to get number 1 at the end. When you get number 1, you can stop with the factorization. Now you take all these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime numbers, or this is how you express 24 in prime numbers. This is what you need to find out by using or by doing prime factorization. Let's try it with another question. The number 15. So just like before, take the number and then put this line. Now you see what are the possible prime numbers. 1 is possible, but 1 is of no use. 2 is not possible. So over here the smallest possible prime number is 3 because 15 is odd as well as it can be divisible by 3. So you add 3 here and you'll get 3 5s are 15. Now you can't take 3 because 5 is not divisible by 3. So leave 3 out and take the next number, that is 5. Is 5 divisible? Yes. So 5 is divisible by 5, in which you will get the number 1. So when you get 1, that is 5 divided by 5 is 1. When you get the number 1, stop prime factorization. Now you express 15 as the prime numbers. That is 3 into 5. And 3 5s are 15. So this is what you need to find by using prime factorization. And this is all about prime factorization. If this video helped you to understand prime factorization clearly, please like and subscribe to this video and follow for more.